Alright, so here's just a quick overview of where kids can access any work that is posted for if they are out. So they would click on, from their home screen, they click on ItsLearning. And then I just prefer to put all of the stuff into this homeroom section so that you don't have to go around to all the different subjects. So once they click on homeroom, they'll see the day of the week and the date. So they would then click start. And math will usually just show this because whatever work they have will be on Savvis Realize. So then once they click that link, they will be brought to a page that looks like this. It'll have their name on it. They would click on My Work. And then whatever work they have for that day will pop up right here. They click on Get Started, and they would just go through whatever it is. And at the end, click Send to Teacher, and it will just show up so that I can take a look at it. So then they would click back to ItsLearning. And up in this corner, there's a little arrow as well as this X when they're finished. So when they're finished with that subject, they would click this arrow and it will take them to whatever is next. So here we have tech time. If you keep going, there would be read aloud, so they could listen to the read aloud, and this says on the next page how to answer it. So then here, if there's anything that looks like this, they would just click Answer Assignment. And then there is a little box that can pop up. They can type in their answer, click on Submit, and it'll go to me. So for now, that's all I have posted. So then they would click the X and just get back to the home screen. If your child is going to be out and you know that they're going to be out and you are interested in having some of this work, just let me know at least 24 hours in advance so that I can make sure that I have stuff up there. And of course, this is also never obligatory. This is only if you are looking for work for your student. But they don't need to feel pressure to complete it. So if you need anything else, please just let me know.